This is my second generation braking kit. It works with the Tesla Model S and X Gen 1 IBooster and also the Gen 2 one found in the Model 3 and Y. Now we've got this little test bench set up here with some hydraulic lines at the back going down to a pressure gauge and also a pressure sensor. And then at the front we've got the brake pedal as you'd find in the footwell of the car. And you can see if I push it, brakes in here, then I build up pressure. Now we can actually have an external braking request via analog input, CAN bus, and also RC PWM. So you see when I push this, the brake pedal actually moves and we're building up brake pressure there. So this could be for autonomous braking, or it could be for a remote control drive application, stunt, whatever. Also works with a remote control. So you can see here, I'm pushing that in and it's building up pressure. And then we can also enable pressure control. So before it was just working on position control, maintaining a certain position of the brake pedal. Now it's going to maintain a certain pressure. And I can command via the computer a certain pressure amount. This is going through USB to this little USB to CAN dongle into the system. And now what it's doing is it's using that pressure sensor and it's maintaining a pressure there. Let's put that back to 0. Now it also has hill hold functionality, which is enabled by this 12-volt input pin there. And what it then does is you connect the CAN bus to your vehicle and it would take in some CAN signals. Now it's compatible with the Felton CAN spec. So if you wanted to add hill hold to your EV retrofit, it's a great way of doing it. It takes in data such as the gear, the throttle pedal position, and also the vehicle speed. And then when you come to a standstill, it automatically applies the brakes and keeps your vehicle in the same place till you push the throttle. So what does the kit consist of? It's got this ECU, which is entirely developed here by myself. This harness as well. You can buy it just as the ECU or with this pre-made harness, which includes a Bosch pressure sensor, connections where you'd hook up to your vehicle, 12 volts, CAN bus, some other I/O, integrated 40 amp fuse and 5 amp fuse, and then the connections that go to the Tesla brake booster. I also sell it with the brake boosters, either Gen 1 or Gen 2, fully tested. These are reconditioned units. I can also supply brand new units, either Gen 2 or Gen 1. So that's the braking system. Any questions, fire me over an email. It's up for sale on my website and shipping now.